To add a login page to a Wix website using the login bar. Start by accessing your Wix account and navigating to the website editor. In the editor, click on the Add icon on the left side of the screen and select More from the drop-down menu. From the More menu, select Member Login and then click on the Login Bar option. This will add a login bar to your website, allowing users to log in and access member-only content. To customize the login bar, click on it and select Settings from the pop-up menu. In the Settings menu, you can choose the login bar's position, color scheme, and other design options to match your website's theme. Next, set up the member login system by going to the Wix settings and selecting Member Login. Here, you can configure the login options, such as allowing users to log in with social media accounts or creating custom login forms. To restrict access to certain pages, go to the page settings and select the Member Login option. Choose the pages that you want to restrict and set the login requirements for each page. This will ensure that only logged-in users can access the restricted pages. Finally, test the login bar and member login system to ensure that they are working correctly. You can do this by logging in and out of your website and verifying that the restricted pages are accessible only to logged-in users. By following these steps, you can easily add a login page to your Wix website using the login bar and create a secure and member-only area for your users. This feature is especially useful for websites that offer exclusive content, services, or products to registered members.